In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana for your team from scratch. We'll walk through a clean, simple setup so you can start managing work with clarity and confidence. By the end, you'll have a workspace that mirrors how you operate, with projects, tasks, and notifications tuned to your needs. Start by creating or signing in to your Asana account. If you're new, sign up with your work email so it's easy to collaborate with colleagues. Log in, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll land in your home view. Keep this first step straightforward. Getting in quickly helps you focus on structure rather than settings right away. Next, complete your account settings and profile. Add a clear profile photo, your role or team, and make sure your time zone and language are correct so due dates and reminders line up. While you're here, review basic privacy and security options and set a professional display name. This small bit of setup makes collaboration smoother because teammates instantly know who they're working with. Now set up your workspace structure. Think of your workspace as the container for all your work. Keep it simple. Mirror how your organization actually operates. Decide on clear naming conventions for teams and projects so everything is easy to scan and search later. A tidy structure now prevents confusion as your usage grows. With that in place, create teams or projects based on your workflow. Teams group people and permissions like marketing, operations, or specific client groups. Inside each team, create projects that represent initiatives, processes, or backlogs. When you create a project, choose the format that fits your style. List for step-by-step tasks or board for a Kanban feel. And add a short description so everyone understands its purpose. Begin adding tasks, sections, deadlines, and responsible people. Break work into tasks that are small, actionable, and have a single owner. Use sections to organize stages or categories like to do, doing, and done, or by milestones. Assign each task to the right person with a realistic due date, and add a short description, relevant files, and any subtasks or dependencies for clarity. Clear owners and deadlines build momentum. Finally, customize your views and notifications so Asana matches how you work. Switch between list, board, calendar, and timeline to see plans from different angles. Then filter and sort to surface priorities. Save your preferred view so it becomes the default. In notifications, keep what helps and mute what distracts. Choose email, in-app, or mobile alerts, and unfollow tasks you don't need to track closely. That's it. Your Asana foundation is set. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and refine as your team's needs evolve.